Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie a handcuff knot. So first, what you want to do is make a loop, like this. After that, you want to make another loop, like this. And then cross them in the middle, like this. And pull those loops, like this. And if you pull these lines here, here, here and here, you can adjust the size of the loops. And you can also make a overhand loop, like so the loops don't get loosened. And this knot is used by firefighters to rescue people from narrow spaces by pulling them by the wrists. Let's see, like this. However, it's mainly avoided and used only as a last option due to the risk of harming the victim.